Hi, I have a really fun question today. Where do you eat and what is that space like? A lot of times we eat not at a table. You eat on a couch, or you eat in front of the TV, or you eat in the car, or you eat at work. I want you to think about where you eat and how that affects what you're eating and maybe how much. If you can change the environment to a more pleasing, supportive, health promoting environment, will that change ultimately your decision and food choice? Excuse me, I have something in my eye. And so if your environment is cluttered and rushed or shaming or scary or whatever, that is going to affect how and what you eat. So if you can take one step forward to making your environment pleasing and supportive, what would that be today? All right, have a good day.